India Portions, General Manager of Tripura Gramin Bank, other officials of TGB, ladies and gentlemen, आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार. You all are aware that today we are assembled here to declare audited result of our bank, that is Tripura Gramin Bank, for the financial year of 23-24. This bank was established in the year of 76 by Government of India under Section 3 of RRB Act, with the objectives of providing banking facility to rural farmer, artisan and weaker sections of the community. The shareholders of this bank are Government of India, Punjab National Bank, our sponsored bank, and Government of Tripura. We are operating in all 8 districts of Tripura state with head office in Agartala, 3 regional office, West, South and North. 1 RCT in Sifaizala district. We are having 150 branches, 12 ultra small branches and 439 BC points across the state. Bank has started posting of net profit from 2001 to and is still continuing. Bank has wiped out all accommodated losses of 139 crore in the year of 2012-13 by registering net profit on year-to-year basis. In the financial year 23-24, our total business grew up by 10%, and in absolute terms, Tripura Gramin Bank has already crossed 12,000 crore business in the year of 23-24. As on 31st March 23-24, our business figure was 12,398.55 crores, and we have added in the financial year of 23-24 1,127 crores. Deposit increased by 9.70%, and in deposit figures we have added 7,778 crores. And in advance side, our advance figure increased 10.72%, and we have added 349 crores in the year 23-24. Then we have already diversified our loan portfolio in retail, MSME and agriculture. Our retail growth in one financial year was 82.32%. In MSME sector, we have increased our MSME portfolio by 14.93%, and in agriculture 11.53% we have added in the financial year 23-24. Then total agriculture advances is 27.55% against the regulatory requirement of 18%, and total priority sector advances as on 31st March 24 stood at 2,904 crore, that is 80.73% against the regulatory requirement of 75% of total advances. Our CD ratio has also improved from 40 to 40.88% from 40.50%. The bank has also earned substantial commissions in other incomes by selling third-party products, that is PNB, MetLife, Bajaj and LIC products. Despite of rising interest rate scenario and alarming situation in terms of bond market worldwide, TGB has earned capital gain / trading profit 3.96 crore from investment. In addition to the total interest incomes earned from investment is around 424.37 crore in comparison to 404.19 crore in the previous financial year. As on March 24, we registered an operating profit of 153.04 crore and net profit was 27.92 crores as compared to last financial year. If we check our balance sheet, our operating profit grew up 547.93% and our net profit grew up 671.27% in the financial year 23-24. Our gross NPA has also reduced from 5.10% to 4.70%. This financial year, as on 31st March 2024, our net NPA figure is nil because we have already provided 100% provision. Our provision coverage ratio is 100%. Per branch business, we have also improved to 82.66 crores from 76.16 crore last year. Per employee business has also improved 13.96 crore from 12.85 crore. Tripura Gramin Bank has also been a pioneer in PMEGP and Swalamban loan sanction and disbursement among all banks operating in Tripura state. TGB is also leading bank in terms of self-help group banking linkage. Every year, the financial year, also Tripura Gramin Bank has played a pivotal role in JLG financing. We are also participating in corporate social responsibilities by providing some assistance to the needy people. Last year, we have deployed 121 new BC agents, and right now we are operating with 439 BC points across the state in all 8 districts. In RRBs across country, we are the first bank who has implemented Bank on Wheels first solar power, that is inaugurated by our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in Agartala only. In digitally, we are also adding some more product every day. We have implemented QR code, SMS banking, WhatsApp banking, missed call facilities, call center, mobile banking we have enhanced, and shortly we are going to add internet banking for Tripura Gramin Bank. We got different awards from Central Government of India, State Government of India. For example, in APY, our ranking for last financial year is 2 across all 43 RRBs across countries. And we got different award of Par Excellence, Annual Award of Inspirational Achievers, Exemplary Award of Par Excellence, Award of Exemplary Leadership, Certificate of Excellence. These are the awards given by the PFRDA. We have also added PMJDY, PMSBY, PMJJBY, and timely we are settling all the claims getting from the customers to the branches. Tripura Gramin Bank is also playing a pivot role in creating awareness through financial literacy camp in bringing the greater mass of the society under the fold of Prime Minister flagship program, that is Social Security schemes. In credit facilities, we are already diversified our loan to retail, MSME and agriculture, and we are contributing to uplift the societies like KCC, Kisan Credit Card, Mudra Loan, the self-help groups, agriculture and allied activities, fisheries, dairy, animal husbandry, piggery, poultry. These are the some schemes we are financing to the needy people. We have also given loan in Stand Up India, then Pradhan Mantri formalization of micro food processing enterprises, that is PMFME, PM Swanidhi schemes, Mudra scheme already told, that is Sishu, Kishore and Tarun. And in retail segment, housing and education loan, last year we have given 1,270 housing loan finance, amount is 252 crores. These are the some key points for our achievement in last financial year 2023-24. Thanks for coming in Tripura Gramin Bank today. Thank you.
Sir, you have secured the second position.
Yeah.
In terms of which category?
Actually, PFRDA has given target 100 APY enrollment per branch per year, 100, and we have crossed 200%. So our ranking across country is second. First is Jharkhand Rajya Gramin Bank among Gramin Bank RRBs.
Parameter.
हाँ पैरामीटर
Parameter.
ये इज पैरामीटर
Parameter.
Yeah.
Sir, coming this year, 24-25 ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল ইয়ার, এই ইয়ারের মধ্যে আপনাদের লোন প্রদানের টার্গেট কি কিছু আছে?
हाँ लोन एक्चुअली मैम we are having target and we are already given target budget to the every branch for this coming financial year, and that target was also approved by our board and communicated to NABARD. RRB viability plan target for this year we are having target of 4,000 crores
4,000.
crores, and ma'am you will achieve this 100% we are sure. Because actually our CD ratio is very low ma'am na, so first we give
অল্প,
the
জাস্ট একটু কমেছে
হ্যাঁ।
রেশিও, মানে জাস্ট 88
ma'am we are not getting big proposals in Tripura processing center we are not having na, right now we are getting some proposals, so we are trying to cross this CD ratio 45% this financial year.
স্যার, আগরতলা যে আদার্স যে ব্যাংকগুলো আছে, ওই ব্যাংকগুলোর যে সিডি রেশিও আর আপনাদের সিডি রেশিওর মধ্যে মানে কোন ব্যাংক সবথেকে মানে
Same as ma'am, except State Bank of India, because they are giving corporate loan for the, we cannot give that na. In Tripura we are giving loan na, we cannot give outside the Tripura. So in my view only, if you consider public sector bank as well as RRB, only State Bank CD ratio is more than.
স্যার সারা রাজ্যের মধ্যে কয়টা ব্রাঞ্চ পেয়েছেন?
150 branches.
কতজন কর্মী কাজ করছে আর শর্টেজ কেমন রয়েছে?
हाँ
কর্মী স্বল্পতা কতজন রয়েছে?
कितने एम्प्लॉई हैं?
एम्प्लॉय टोटल एम्प्लॉय हमारे आरआरबी के एज ऑन 31 मार्च 2024 888 एम्प्लॉइज हैं जो टीजीबी के एम्प्लॉइज हैं। इसके अलावा जो 439 हमने बोला बीसी पॉइंट्स, वो भी हमारे एम्प्लॉय नहीं है बट बैंक में सारे काम करते हैं, अकाउंट ओपनिंग, डेबिट क्रेडिट, लोन का डॉक्यूमेंट लेना, सोशल सिक्योरिटी स्कीम को ऑनबोर्ड करना, ये सारा काम करते हैं।
কিন্তু স্যার, কোর্টের যে একটা ইয়ে ছিল, ইনস্ট্রাকশন ছিল, যারা পার্মানেন্ট হয়নি ওদেরকে পার্মানেন্ট করার জন্য একটা কোর্ট ইনস্ট্রাকশন ছিল, সেটা কি আপনারা ফলো করেছেন?
DRW we were talking about DRW na?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we cannot give him permanently because that is the, actually we are abiding by the laws of Government of India, है ना? तो we have already written letter to DFS, Department of Financial Services, because we cannot formulate any policy at our level to recruit any person, because आपने देखा होगा कि जब भी हमारे यहाँ क्लरिकल या ऑफिसर कोई भी आते हैं, दे आर कमिंग थ्रू IBPS सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. We are not competent authorities to hire anybody locally.
Sir, you have mentioned that regarding those interest rate scenario and the I would like to know, sir, what is the TGB's status in terms of real terms? You have mentioned the numbers in absolute terms. What is if you consider the inflation?
मतलब आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट का क्या स्टैंड है वो ये
You are talking about inflation. Okay, suppose inflation.
Yeah, in terms of, I mean real terms. He said it's about the absolute terms. I just want to know that if there
Actually,
is any
he is
significant difference.
Actually, he is Sailesh Vishwaranjan ji, looking investment account department.
So 1.5% difference is there. Whatever this one inflation is going on, we are over and above the inflation rate. So definitely we are earning more than what the inflation is going up.
Okay, so
So difference is 1.5.
That is say in terms of growth, we say it's mentioned 10.72% year
That
period.
is the absolute term.
That is the absolute term.
But
If you consider the inflation,
Yeah.
then similar growth rate was experienced, right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Direct.
So in terms of 2023 and 2024, if you consider the inflation rate, then still you have better growth rate.
Yes, yes,
Right?
yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So your growth rate is inflation adjusted.
Yes, yes, understood.
And there is one more thing. You said that per employee business has improved.
Yes.
May I ask you, sir, whether the number of employees in your TGB has increased or decreased over the years?
Increased.
It increased. How much?
Little bit.
Actually, last year we are having a total number of employees 832.
832. Yeah.
And this year 888 employees as on 31st March 2024.
It is including officers.
Including officer as well as clerical staff.
Means
also.
they are on the payroll of TGB.
Yes,
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 they
yes.
have we have onboarded this year कितना officer कितना गया 43. This year we have added 41 officers and clerical 28 ना 28 because we have demanded more but उसमें क्या था कि clerical जो क्वालिफाई किया था वो ऑफिसर में भी क्वालिफाई किया था तो 14 क्लरिकल ऑफिसर में चले गए तो इधर शॉर्टेज हो गया तो अभी नाउ वी हैव डिमांडेड फ्रॉम द वेटिंग लिस्ट तो दे हैव गिवन 8-9 पीपल 9 पीपल जो वेटिंग लिस्ट में ऑलरेडी आईबीपीएस के पास इन्वॉल्व थे तो दैट्स वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग अभी क्या है कि 2-3 ऑफिसर इज गेटिंग बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी दे हैव रिजाइन फ्रॉम द टीजी दे हैव ज्वाइंड इन द मंथ ऑफ फरवरी एंड रिजाइन इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल So that is the issue we are facing.
Have you any plan to open new branches?
Actually, right now we are not having any plan to open new branches because we have already covered across state all the areas. RBI has given mandate to open new branch only in unbanked areas. That is we are covering through business correspondent channel because they are also having same type of facilities from only one laptop and other passbook printer.
Chairman sir,
Yeah.
first of all, you deserve a big thanks,
Thank you.
compliments for at least showing us a very healthier net profit compared to last year.
Sir.
So thanks to the chairman, but my area of question is the employees who were instrumental in earning this nice profit in your bank. Especially as per your given returns, out of 888 total employees of TGB, I think 390. 439. 439. They are extra departmental in your terms.
Yes, yes.
That is those we know them as fixed pay employee or DRWs.
No, they are not fixed pay employees.
They are not included
They
in
are
this
neither
number.
DRW nor fixed pay employee.
Okay.
They are earning commission on part of their business, giving business to the bank.
My question is, earlier there was a verdict from Tripura High Court to formulate a scheme so that those DRW employees, I mean the fixed pay employee, right, they can be regularized because they cannot direct you
Yeah.
to absorb them on regular basis. Since you are enjoying a net profit to the extent of, if I compare to last year, it is 24.3 crore,
Yeah,
right?
correct.
So, have you paid them in any way by increasing their fixed pay? Since you are enjoying net profit now, and they are very much instrumental in earning this. So, what action so far you have taken?
Actually,
from
right
your
now we
pay?
have not taken any action related to DRW regarding paying some additional benefit to them. But we go to the board and whatever decision board will. लास्ट ईयर किया था ना एक वो आपको बता दें कि लास्ट फाइनेंशियल मतलब दिस फाइनेंशियल नहीं बोल सकते लास्ट फाइनेंशियल 23-24 में वी हैव ऑलरेडी इनहांस देयर सैलरी आफ्टर टेकिंग परमिशन फ्रॉम द बोर्ड वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन
They deserve it because
Yes, yes.
see, if they are not your employees at all, you are sending them for collection of loan. You are sending them for deposition and collection of all kind of monetary.
Sir, we are also having sympathy to them.
But in fact, at the end of day, they are getting no financial benefit. right?
That's
It's really painful.
yes.
So in terms of your financial benefit, since you are enjoying a net profit right now, you don't have any problem in giving them a bit financial benefit, if not regularization is possible at the moment. So what's your plan for the BRWA employees?
लास्ट ईयर हमने सैलरी इंक्रीज किया था, दिस ईयर के लिए देखते हैं कि क्या बोर्ड का डायरेक्शन रहता है, अकॉर्डिंगली
वो तो सर आप लोग ही है ना?
हाँ,
Sir,
बोर्ड में
can I
आई
explain, sir?
एम
Can I
ऑल्सो वन
explain?
मेंबर ऑफ द बोर्ड.
Can I explain?
Yes, yes.
Actually, we cannot formulate any policy for these BRWs by ourselves
एट आवर लेवल.
at our level. So we have written to the GFS as well as our sponsored bank and one of the
Government of Tripura.
government of Tripura
also.
to formulate a policy to absorb them.
That is
Or they will guide us.
The
DFS will guide us.
Tripura
to what
has
we will do.
given this verdict long back.
Yeah.
Okay, by now they should have some sort of positive response here.
So for that we have increased their wages, sir, from 400 to 496.
As per the direction of the board, we have already
And
increased.
secondly, of late in the local newspaper there was a news cluster. The DGP has sponsored or given some loan based on some fake certificate of employees. This is a serious allegation.
Yeah, definitely.
And to my surprise, I was keenly watching if you have issued any handout against this news cut. I didn't find anything. So what's your opinion and what went wrong, and those who were involved in those illegal or malpractice, what action have you taken from management?
And actually, after getting this news from our official side also, our head office side also, we have already given deputed to vigilance as well as inspection division officers to investigate the matter. When that investigation report comes to me, based on the finding, whatever they will do, we will take action as per the guidelines of the bank. No issue, we are having zero tolerance record related to fraud or any.
It sounds nice,
Yeah.
but in action we don't find anything.
Sir, we will do
I am
that.
sorry. I am sorry. If I recall the incident, what happened in your Durga Chavani branch.
DC Badar.
Yeah, another incident I can
Madhu
remember
Badar.
in here.
Ah.
So ultimately, those people are moving scot free almost. One of the officer were put under suspension, and so for this latest news cast is concerned, it's a very very serious issue because crore of rupees your bank manager has sanctioned. It's a total fake, and a big nexus is working here.
Sir, last two branches you have quoted, na? We have already suspended 2 officers, manager and officer in Manu branch. Inquiry, internal DSC inquiry is already going on. We have lodged FIR to the police station also. Same thing we have done in DC Bazaar.
Against how many employees?
Sir,
Against how many employees you have lodged FIR for sponsoring this malpractice?
both branch managers. Both branch managers.
No. I'm talking about the latest edition.
Sorry.
Latest edition of corruption,
Ah.
which is surfaced in the local newspaper. That sanctioning loan based on fake employee certificate.
Sir, we are just inquiry report comes to me, then we'll see.
স্যার আরেকটা ব্যাপার, এটা মানবিক দিক দিয়ে বলছি, সেটা হচ্ছে 10,323 যাদের চাকরি গেছে যারা, তারা অনেকেই আমরা জানি গ্রামীণ ব্যাংক থেকে বা বিভিন্ন ব্যাংক থেকে লোন নিয়েছে। ওদের লোন কি আপনারা রিকভারি করছেন বা কোনো রকম সুযোগ দিচ্ছেন?
यस मैम, वी आर डूइंग रिकवरी. वो तो कर ही सकते हो, तो बैंक का नॉर्म्स है मैम. अगर पैसे भी पब्लिक मनी है, बैंक का तो कोई अपना मनी है नहीं, पब्लिक मनी को अगर हम देंगे तो रिकवरी तो करना पड़ेगा.
হচ্ছে রিকভারি হচ্ছে।
उसमें मैम थोड़ा रिलैक्सेशन, हम लोग जो OTS पॉलिसी है उसके तहत भी काम कर रहे हैं. उनको जो भी बेनिफिट देना होगा एज पर बैंक नॉर्म्स वो हम करें, बट रिकवरी तो देना पड़ेगा ना. ऐसे सर्वाइव, हाउ विल सर्वाइव विदाउट रिकवरी.
Sir, I have a little curiosity in here.
Yeah.
Page number 3, there you have written in here net profit 671.27%. Actually, what's the miracle in here? 671%.
Actually last year our profit goes down due to mark to market provision. Last year profit was less ना. Earlier you have already quoted कि भाई आपका profit बहुत ही कम है. तो उससे हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं, then that profit goes up to more than 600%.
Nice.
Thank you.
You said that your loan target for this financial year is around 4,000 crore. So, do you have any made any checkup? Which sector to get you will get that first, like MSME or agriculture? So far, I have concerned. I think you prefer on agriculture. Most of the loans are going to the agriculture sector. And what is the trend in MSME? Because the government is asking for industrialization and all those.
So this year our target is to target the MSME loan maximum and agri-infrastructure. That is our target.
Actually, earlier government is focusing to RRB to only provide agriculture loan. Now they are emphasizing to diversify your loan portfolio, not only in agriculture, MSME as well as retail also. That's why our growth in retail and MSME last year is greater than in agriculture, because we are not getting bigger proposal in agriculture sector in Tripura.
I think MSME related data is not.
No, here
We'll
we
provide
are
it.
having, sir,
We'll
if
provide
you
it.
want the
ये इनको एक कॉपी दे दीजिए,
this is our internal. So segregation and
तो इनको जो चाहिए वो दे दीजिएगा. You will get it from the salary.
After server problem, have you sorted it out?
Sir, our PNB has purchased 54 servers for 9 RRBs. And they have already shifted data from old server to new server only for Manipur Gramin Bank just 1 week back. So अभी उसको monitor कर रहे हैं within a week or maximum 2-3 weeks. PGB will also get new server. But right now we are not facing any issue related to server in our bank. Only we are facing issue related to connectivity in remote area. That is not in our hand. For example, Fatikra as well as Jagannathpur USB, their leave line is down from 3-4 days. And we got the news that cable was stolen by some person. That is optical fiber cable led by the BSNL. That is the issue we are facing.
And is there any update regarding those funds, that is particularly from Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan? There was a substantial fund deposited in your bank. But unfortunately, that deposition was shifted to
Other bank.
The reason was, I think, lack of infrastructure in other places.
Actually, at that time, PGB merged with PNB. Earlier, sponsored bank is United Bank of India. So that time, some technology related issue is there. That's why that problem came. But we are trying with the
Since you
department.
have got right this crisis, now you can approach.
Sir, we are approaching. We need your help also.
We are always in favor of
Sir.
Tripura Gramin Bank because ultimately it belongs to this state. So that is the mentality we want. But there should not be any decision that goes against the interest of people working here.
Sir, right now we are not
Once
having.
again, emphasizing on the interest of those, they are very unfortunate, very poor paid employees, those people are working and they are giving you the most of your work.
Then we will take care. We will take care.
Sir, how many RRBs in the 8 northeastern states?
7 are.
7, including TJP.
Yeah, including.